Jackie, can I have my girlfriend? Whose girlfriend is it? It's your girlfriend. What's her name? Ding. Hello, Ding. Can I have a girlfriend? Why? Why? Nice. Whose girlfriend is it? Is it your girlfriend or my girlfriend? Hmm? But I had her first. Huh? Do you love your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Yeah? How much?
2.
2?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And what's her name again? Ding?
No.
What's her name? I?
Yeah.
Her name is I. Oh. How old is she?
5.
5? But you're only 2? Your girlfriend is 5?
Yeah.
Oh.
Phi daddy girlfriend. Yeah, daddy girlfriend here, chị. Look here.
Jackie, can I have the girlfriend?
No.
Come on.
No.
No?
Empty.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. I press stop.